Good day, everyone. So myself, Ashok, sailing as a second mate. So in this video, I'm gonna try to explain about the Monkey Island and the equipments which are located in Monkey Island, as well as the magnetic compass, and what is the use of it and why it is in exactly in this Monkey Island. So this is the magnetic compass full console. So we will be opening this and I will take a bearing of the sun and I will tell you how to take each and everything by step. Here always the Monkey Island will be like an open space, so there will be no any restrictions and no any objects, loose objects will be there, because and specifically why this particular magnetic compass is here. You can ask sometimes the magnetic compass why they kept here. They can keep anywhere in the vessel. Why especially on top of Monkey Island? Because if we keep magnetic compass in any other area, due to the magnetic induction and magnetic force, the heading and the effect will be happen to the magnets. So the compass will not give you a proper kind of headings. So to avoid that, it will be always on the top of it. So less cargo, if you are loading iron ore or any kind of a steel, so it will affect the magnetic compass. To avoid that affection, so this has been input on the Monkey Island. And so far, one more thing, to take any kind of object, for example bearing or any kind of celestial navigation you are using, need to take a bearing of the sun. If you keep wherever other places, the obstruction will be there. But in Monkey Island, you can see the all over 360 degrees of the vessel which have no any obstruction. So you can take the bearings continuously without any obstructions. Okay, so that's why it was here. And once we open it, I will show you how to take the azimuth bearing of the sun. Today we will look that one. So this is the magnetic compass. So we can see all the headings and everything. So what is this basically? It's inside they have a lot of points where the ship is heading, and it was managed to maintain a proper heading even in case of any kind of electrical problems. If our gyro compass fails, the only one option we have magnetic compass. So now I will show you this. Inside this part is called the healing magnets. I will show you in this video. I'll remove it and I will show you where is the healing magnets. And here you can see the measurements with the scales. That is called port side magnets, and this one is starboard side magnets. I will open you and show you the measurements which is there. And in this measurement there will be some arrangements of the magnetic the stud will be there, and they will put in exactly place where the deviation and other things are properly maintained by the deviators. Means these special man will be there. They will do all kind of corrections and they will put. So I will show you inside the part what are the things are there inside. So as a navigator, you need to know the basic things. What are the things inside the magnetic compass? So inside this you can see the measurements and the holes there. That's 464850. These are the holes and the markings which I kept, and you can see the 3 magnets inside. So 68, 70 and 76. These are the measurements over here. So this has to be get corrected if you have a long deviation at main, for example gyro compass and magnetic compass. If you have more variations, you need to adjust this magnetic according to the your manual. And this is the healing magnets. This also, every magnets will use their own criterias as per the to maintain our compass heading. So this one is the port side correcting plate, and this one is starboard side correction plate. So the correction plates will look like this. It's a kind of a small steel body, and which already here it was old one, so we are trying to replace it. And you can see now the heading is around 289. So once if I put this correction plate, you can see there are some plates where it goes. So we will put here like this. So everything is as per the manual. So now you can see easy it's rotating to 286. You can see easy it will come. So every magnets or have their own characteristics to maintain and keep this magnetic compass heading in a proper manner. In case of any gyro failure, this will the only one option we can use for navigating.